In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Facebook long video not showing. Alright, so I'm starting right here on my device, and for this one we're going to use a browser instead of the app. So the first thing I'm going to do is open up my browser. I'll just tap on it and let it load up. Once the browser is open, what I'm going to do next is look for the three dot icon. It's usually in the top corner of the screen depending on your browser. I see it right here, so I'm just going to tap on those three dots. That opens up a menu with a bunch of different options, and from here we're going to go into the settings. So I'm scrolling just a little bit until I find settings, and I'm tapping on it now. Alright, so now we're inside the settings page. You might see a lot of different options here, but what we're looking for is privacy and security. So I'm just scrolling through until I find it, and I see it here, so I'm tapping on privacy and security. Once that opens up, you'll see more options related to your browser data and privacy. At this point, we're going to look for delete browsing data. So I'm tapping on that now. Now you'll see a screen with different things you can clear. What we want to select here is cookies and other site data. So I'm making sure that option is checked. This is important because it helps reset how Facebook loads in your browser. Once that's selected, the next step is to delete the data. So I'm looking for the button that says delete data, and I'm tapping on it now. It might take a second depending on how much data is stored, so just give it a moment. Alright, once that's done, the browser has cleared the cookies and site data. Now we're going to head back to Facebook. So I'm going back to the Facebook page in the browser. At this point, all you need to do is refresh the page. I'm just pulling down or tapping the refresh icon, depending on the browser, and letting the page reload. And that's it. After refreshing, Facebook should load properly, and long videos should start showing again if the issue was caused by stored data. So just to quickly go through it again while we're here, you open your browser, tap the three dots, go into settings, head to privacy and security, tap on delete browsing data, select cookies and other site data, delete the data, then go back to Facebook and refresh the page. It's a simple fix, and it usually works when videos aren't loading correctly because of cached data. Once you've done it, everything should run a lot smoother.